Most people get confused when it comes to withdrawing from Givvy. They see small earnings stacking up and assume cashing out will be simple. But here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawal methods can change, limits can be strict, and not every option is available in every country. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Givvy Withdrawal works in 2026, all available options, what minimum thresholds look like, and the common mistakes that stop users from getting paid. Let's break it down, step by step. First, Givvy is a rewards-based app where you earn points by watching ads, playing games, or completing small tasks. Those points are converted into rewards. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't directly withdraw cash in most cases. You usually withdraw through gift cards or supported payment partners depending on your region. Now, let's talk about the most common withdrawal option. The first and most popular method is gift cards. Users can exchange points for cards like Google Play or other digital vouchers. This is usually the fastest and most reliable method. For example, a user like Alex might accumulate enough points in a few days or weeks and redeem a small gift card without needing bank details. The second option is partner-based payouts. In some regions, Givvy connects with third-party reward platforms. This means your earnings are transferred to another wallet or reward system before you cash out. But here's the problem. This method is not always available, and it can vary by country and app version. Now let's talk about minimum withdrawal limits. This is where most users get stuck. You can't withdraw instantly. You need to reach a threshold first. And depending on activity levels, it can take time. Casual users often underestimate how many ads or tasks are required. Another important detail is processing time. Gift card withdrawals are usually faster, sometimes instant, or within a short window. But partner payouts may take several days. So patience matters. Now here's something most beginners miss. If you stop using the app for a few days, your earning rate doesn't pause, but it also doesn't accelerate. Consistency is what helps you reach withdrawal faster, not occasional usage spikes. So what's the simplest way to succeed with Givvy withdrawals? Stay consistent with daily tasks. Focus on higher reward actions like video ads or bonus offers when available, and always check your region's withdrawal options inside the app before you start building points. Here's the final takeaway. Givvy does allow withdrawals, but mostly through gift cards and limited partner systems. It is not a direct cash app, and understanding that upfront saves a lot of confusion. If this helped clear things up, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns and withdrawal guides.